Hey gorgeous, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Tootie. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And if you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for joining and welcome to the gorgeous gang. So as you can see in the title, I tried to do a full face in 7 minutes. And as y'all can see, this was the outcome. This was actually a fun video to do, so thank you so much for suggesting this. Yeah, it was so fun and it went by so quick. So I really enjoyed doing this video. You already know I don't like holding y'all long. If you're interested in seeing how I achieved this in 7 minutes, you already know what to do. Pick up a brush and keep on watching. Oh yeah, I'm so nervous because I don't know how this is gonna turn out. So, okay. Hey Google, set a timer for 7 minutes.
Okay, 7 minutes. Starting now.
Okay, so we're gonna start off with my brows. Yeah, I am nervous. Okay, so this is my Cabral pencil. No, I don't think this is Cabral. This is by Benefit. So let's get these brows together. How the brows looking so far? How we looking? Oh, yeah, I know it takes me 10 minutes alone, or almost 10 minutes to actually do my brows. So to attempt to do a full face in 7 minutes, I don't know. Okay, this is as good as we gonna get. Okay, so this is my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I think this is in deep. Come on now, because we ain't got time. And then, y'all, I'm not trying to be sloppy. Like, I'm trying to do, like, I would really actually do my makeup, but I'm trying to be quick, too. So, oh, my God. I don't even want to look at the timer. And, of course, my M224 brush to blend that out. Yeah, I think this is my new favorite concealer. Okay. And of course, we're gonna do a natural look, y'all. So we ain't gonna do all no eyeshadow. Okay, blend it out. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lids with it too, so. Okay, y'all know I take my Real Techniques setting brush to, I can't even talk right now because I don't know what I was doing. I can't function right now. I can't function. Okay. Again, y'all, I'm not trying to be sloppy, but I'm just moving kind of fast. So, how we looking right now? I don't even think I got all this concealer on my lids. Okay. Y'all, this is acting like it do not want to blend. Okay, so because this is a natural look, I'm going in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep, and this is going over our lids. Okay. I think so. So far, so good. Yeah, a full face. Oh my God. If the timer on my thing right here is right, we 3 minutes in. 3 minutes. 3.5 minutes. Oh my God. Oh. I'm trying to make sure it's a good consistency. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and do mascara. This is my e.l.f. Length and Volume Mascara. How much can I? Oh my God. Okay, I should be calm right now because we at 4. Oh, Oh, I got mascara on my what's the name? Okay, so damn. These my lashes that I'm gonna be using. Oh my god. Okay, we gonna come back. I need to just go ahead and get to this face. Oh, my primer. What my primer? The show must go on. This is my Becca primer. So oh my god, y'all. I think my time is almost up. Okay, foundation. I still got a highlight. Oh my god. Okay, so I usually use a brush when I put my foundation on, but I think this sponge gonna make it easier, y'all. Oh my god. Whole 5 minutes of I don't even know what I can be doing right now. Ooh. Okay, I believe it's summertime in Texas, so it is time for my it's time for me to go and get my oh my god, y'all, it's 6 minutes. Okay. Let me highlight. I need some highlighter, some. Oh shit. 7 minutes. What was I thinking? Oh my god. Oh my god, y'all. I'm taking my setting powder right now. Oh, this is almost I need the bronze. What is this? This one open. Cocoa Naughty. Oh my god. I ain't even set my face. I ain't even got my eyelashes on. Oh my god. Okay. I still gotta highlight. I don't even know how this look right now, but we let's set our skin. I ain't even put no eyelashes on, y'all. Oh my god. Should I go ahead and set my skin? Wow, 7 minutes. Hey Google, stop. Yeah, this was funny as hell. I mean, this is how far we got. At least I put some mascara on, you know what I'm saying? But your girl look, I don't even think I blended. But I got, I don't. No. Y'all. I look decent now. Now this could go for a no makeup look, but 7 minutes, a full face in 7 minutes, y'all. Now I ain't gonna stop. Let me see. It look okay. Let's see what y'all think. It's giving you no makeup. You know how they be doing the no makeup looks. That's kind of what I'm getting from this. But 7 minutes. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This is just a quick challenge video that someone actually suggested. Yeah, someone actually suggested that I do this. So this is real fun. Like I said, it was real quick, real, you know, something just to do. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and you know, always don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video.